Hi everyone, it's Polkadot Insider here. Welcome to our educational video series. And today, we walk into a new tutorial about how to join BitCountry Metaverse. Let's go! First, BitCountry is a decentralized metaverse built on Polkadot network, which allows us to create and explore virtual worlds. With BitCountry, everyone can create our own metaverse without requiring any technical skills. Firstly, we get access to BitCountry website and scroll down till we meet the Create Your Metaverse button. Click on it. After being redirected to a new screen at display here, we press Connect Wallet to continue. In this tutorial, we'll use Polkadot.js wallet. We can also use Subwallet as another option. Now press Authorize to allow BitCountry get access to our wallet. Upon accepting the permissions, we'll be redirected to the main dashboard. And it's time to create our Metaverse project. Press Create Metaverse Project to start. We'll need around 51 NEAR tokens, which are utility and governance tokens on BitCountry token, as a fuel on a dApp to create our Metaverse. We can buy NEAR on Gate.io or KuCoin Exchange. Then press Submit Transaction to open up our wallet. Sign the transaction by entering our password. Now we have already owned a Metaverse on BitCountry. When we have created a metaverse, it will be stored in a Pioneer Metaverse network blockchain. Press Go to Metaverse to continue. We are at the Settings section now, where we can customize our own metaverse space by uploading profile picture, the banner, or change the name of our metaverse. We can also edit some utility permissions of our space to allow what other viewer can do with our space. And the home page will display things that we already edited on the setting page, and is open for public view. Place now space where we upload our items for sale, and it will be displayed in the public marketplace. Or we can also browse different items such as virtual land, NFTs, and other digital assets to buy from others at a public marketplace tab on the main home page. Click on the logo of BitCountry Alpha in the top left hand to find the public marketplace. Select Marketplace and find what we need to buy. About the Map section, we can navigate around the virtual world and view different regions and land parcels. We can zoom in and out on the map to view different areas in greater detail and get a better sense of overall layout of virtual world. And once we add a land block in BitCountry Metaverse space, our land will be displayed on the map when we deploy it. To buy a raw land block on BitCountry Metaverse, we need to click on BitCountry Alpha logo on the top left hand again to open up the main dashboard. Scroll down the menu and select Buy Land Block. Each land block contains 100 land units, and each day can be created by 2 or more land units. There are some sellers here to choose from. We can buy or bid to own a land block. And on the map section, there are also some functions we might also want to know. With land sales, we can purchase virtual land parcels within the metaverse. Virtual land parcels are the foundation for creating and building within the BitCountry Metaverse, so we can purchase land to create our own digital assets, such as buildings, structures, and landscapes. Sandpit is where we can test and experiment with building and designing our virtual worlds before making any permanent changes to the actual virtual land. Each days are collections of virtual land parcels that can be grouped together and managed as a single entity within a BitCountry Metaverse. And with land units, it will show our purchased units. Land unit means smaller than land block, a fractional portion of virtual land parcels. So we can invest in virtual land within the Metaverse without having to purchase an entire land parcel. So, in any case, if we want to have real interaction with viewers who access our Metaverse space, we can create a post here at the Post tab. So viewer can read it, give it a like, and leave some comments. And this is an example from another Metaverse space. Yeah, and that's for today's video about how you can join and create a Metaverse on BitCountry. And if you really enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to Polkadot Insider for more insightful videos. Bye! See you next time.